Hello from Slovenia again. I will use this cup again with the straw in it, but today this straw is a little, it has a bigger, what is the word? Last time when I used these ones that are really thin, paint just dripped. But this one is a little wider, or how is the right word? And we will see that it's different. Paint flows out, but still creates some beautiful, nice patterns, feathery-like patterns. I really like that. So we will do that. So I just poke a hole into the cup. I put my straw in and I have a tape on. That paint will not flow out, hopefully. Let's see. Okay. And I will start with some pearl white mixture. That it's Vallejo pearl medium and titanium white and pouring medium. This is phthalo blue, red violet, gold, and metallic cobalt blue, a little bit left. I use these colors for a few pours now, but have to use them up. Some permanent violet and pearl white again. And I will just travel with the cup. So I will release this thing and start pouring. You see it's flowing out. Ooh, there was something in there. Have to remember to take this out. It was a blob of something. Okay, so I will just pour this paint that I have in my cup around for the flow extender. My hand is shaking. Okie doke. See the reaction from the pearl white. So the bugger, it was kind of here, I think. Yes. And you can definitely see reaction from the pearl white. So here she is, really dreamy looking. I love it. There are some kind of weird reaction here, but it's okay. Can you see all those lines in the pearl white that create kind of a 3D look, depth, or how can I say? And the reaction from the pearl white, of course. Some cells. So I'm really happy with this one, how it turned out. So hope it will be dry, that I can show you the dried results, because it will be nice definitely with this metallic cobalt here, and here will shimmer a little bit. I lost all the gold. I have some sparkles here and there. Don't know why, but it's okay. So here is the dried result. A little more blue than I was expecting, but still beautiful. I just love when you look these things up close, that, you know, because of the transparency of the pearl white, it's just so 3D looking. Those lines in there, you almost see the depth here. I just love it. I don't know, it's so soft and simple. I'm not quite fan of those cells here, but still beautiful, and this part is just my favorite one. And can't capture the shimmer much, but it's beautiful anyway. Yeah. So this is it for today. Thanks for being here, and see you again on Friday. Bye.